When I think about Alexis, the word proud just doesn't begin to do it justice.
I moved here in the summer of 2022. I was into my junior year of high school. So as a junior, I was a little more shy. I didn't really know what I was doing yet. And when I moved to Klamath Falls, I learned of so many programs that they had that I wasn't aware of. I realized that I had a lot of opportunity and I wanted to be a part of that.
Health Occupations is an opportunity for students who have an interest in healthcare to explore that interest in healthcare. And that can be through guest speakers coming to school, and it can also be through shadowing opportunities or apprenticeship hour opportunities here at Sky Lakes.
Which led to something that we have called the Ambassador Programs, which is a paid program where they come in and do 12 weeks working in various different departments.
You have an opportunity to work an entry-level job as a 16, 17, close to 18-year-old, which for a lot of students really is a game changer. You know, a lot of our students, part of their life is that they have to work. What an opportunity to be able to earn money at the same time as you're exploring potential career opportunities. For Sky Lakes to be able to provide that for our students, to invest in our youth like that is paramount, and I think it's almost unheard of.
I was introduced to countless programs, opportunities, jobs I could do that I didn't know I could do as even a minor at under 18 that you could pursue, and then after you turn 18, the doors are just so open for you.
I think that we present students with an opportunity to really take responsibility for what they want to be when they grow up.
I had a different path when I got here, and these programs honestly changed it for the better. So at the moment, I'm a freshman in college. I'm attending KCC, it's a community college. Right now, I'm doing my prereqs to apply for the nursing program next year. And from there, I do plan on transferring to a four-year university in pursuit of a nursing program.
When you see somebody learn how to advocate for themselves and learn how to want something and learn how to do what it takes to achieve that thing that they want, it's a pretty remarkable moment for me, not only as a teacher, but as a person too. Her mentors just opened a door for her. She's the one that walked through them, and she created all the opportunities for herself. So to be able to see her in college and succeeding in college and working while succeeding in college, which is a feat all in of its own, is, you know, proud doesn't begin to do that feeling justice.
I am very proud of myself. I think I fought hard for my opportunities now, and it's paying off. I'm pursuing nursing. I'm in college. I'm not just a high school that's dreaming.
I feel so lucky that I've gotten to witness somebody realizing their dreams. It's one thing to think about dreams, right? It's another thing to realize dreams.
I'm most excited about being able to care for people, like bring them that comfort and satisfaction of knowing I helped them and cared for them and they could move on about their life without worry.